Welcome to my channel. Here, we bring you stories of hope, kindness, and new beginnings that inspire and uplift. Let's dive into a journey of positivity and growth together. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town surrounded by rolling hills and beautiful green fields, there lived a woman named Lily. Lily was a kind, gentle person who always looked for the good in others. She worked as a teacher at the local school, where she taught young children who loved her for her warmth and patience. Lily lived alone in a small house on the edge of the village. Her house was simple, but it was cozy and full of love. It had a small garden where Lily grew flowers and vegetables. She spent her days teaching, gardening, and helping others whenever she could. Though Lily didn't have a big family or many friends, she was happy. She believed that kindness was the key to a happy life, and she shared her kindness with everyone she met. One evening, a big storm came to the town. The wind howled, and rain poured down in heavy sheets. It was the kind of storm that made people stay inside their homes, away from the stormy weather. But for Lily, the storm brought a new challenge. As she was sitting by her window, watching the rain, she heard a loud knock on her door. Surprised, Lily opened the door and found a man standing in front of her. He looked tired, wet, and lost. "Hello," the man said, his voice shaking from the cold. "I'm sorry to bother you. My car broke down, and I can't seem to find my way back to the town. Could I please come in and wait for the rain to stop?" Lily smiled warmly. "Of course, come inside. You must be cold and tired. I'll make you some tea." The man, who introduced himself as Noah, stepped inside. Lily gave him a towel to dry his hair and a cup of hot tea. Noah thanked her and sat by the fireplace to warm up. As they sat together, Lily noticed that Noah seemed sad, even though he was smiling. After a few minutes of silence, Noah spoke. "I've been having a tough time lately. I lost my job in the city, and I don't know what to do next. I came here to visit an old friend, but now I'm stuck. I feel like everything is falling apart." Lily listened carefully. She knew what it was like to feel lost. "I'm so sorry to hear that," she said. "Life can be really tough sometimes. But you know, sometimes, when things fall apart, they leave space for something new to come in. This might be a chance for a new beginning." Noah looked at her, surprised by her words. "You really think so?" "I do," Lily said, smiling. "Sometimes, when we lose something, it's because something better is waiting for us. You just have to look for it." Noah felt a little better after their conversation. The warmth of the fire and Lily's kind words made him feel comforted. "Thank you, Lily," Noah said. "I didn't expect to feel so much better just talking to you." Lily smiled. "That's what friends are for." The next morning, the storm had stopped, and the sun was shining brightly again. Noah thanked Lily for her kindness and prepared to leave. But before he left, Lily had an idea. "Noah," she said, "why don't you stay here for a while? The town could really use someone with your skills. There's a job opening at the school where I work, and I think you'd be a great fit. You could help the children with art or gardening. It's not much, but it's a start. What do you think?" Noah was surprised. "I've never thought about working with children before. But it sounds like something I could try." "I'm sure you'll be great," Lily said with a smile. "Besides, you're a kind person, and the children would love you." Noah agreed to give it a try. He decided to stay in the town and see where this new opportunity would take him. Little did he know, his life was about to change in ways he never expected. Over the next few weeks, Noah settled into his new life in the village. He found a small cottage near Lily's house and started working at the school. The children loved him right away. Noah had a natural way of connecting with them, and he quickly became a favorite. He helped with the school's gardening project and even started teaching the children how to paint. As Noah worked with the children, he realized that he felt happy again. He hadn't felt this happy in a long time. Helping others made him feel like he had a purpose. He also spent more time with Lily, who continued to inspire him with her kindness and positive outlook on life. One evening, after a long day of work, Noah and Lily were sitting outside, watching the sunset. The sky was full of beautiful colors as the sun slowly set behind the hills. "You were right, Lily," Noah said, looking at her. "I'm so glad I came here. I've found something I never thought I would, a new beginning. I feel like I'm finally where I'm supposed to be." Lily smiled softly. Sometimes, the right path finds us when we least expect it. As time went on, Noah and Lily's friendship grew stronger. They spent more time together, talking about their hopes and dreams, their challenges, and their triumphs. Noah began to understand more about Lily's life and her kindness towards others. One day, Lily took Noah to her garden, where she had planted flowers and vegetables. She showed him how to care for the plants and explained the importance of patience and love in gardening. Noah was amazed at how much Lily cared for her plants, and it reminded him of how much he had missed taking care of things. "This is beautiful, Lily," Noah said as he looked at the colorful flowers. "You really put your heart into everything you do." Lily smiled. "It's true. Love and care can make things grow, whether it's a plant, a person, or a friendship." Noah thought about her words. He realized that, just like the plants in the garden, he had also started to grow again. Lily's kindness and the opportunities in the village had given him a fresh start, and he was finally starting to feel like himself again. As the months passed, Noah found more peace in his life. He continued to work at the school, helping the children, and working on his own personal growth. He had made many friends in the village, and the people there treated him like family. One evening, as Noah and Lily were walking together, Noah felt a strong connection with her. He had come to realize that his feelings for Lily were no longer just friendship. He had fallen in love with her. "Lily," he said, stopping in his tracks. "I've been thinking a lot about what you said when I first arrived here. You told me that when things fall apart, it leaves space for something new. Well, I think the new thing is me, falling in love with you." Lily looked at him, her heart filled with warmth. She had known for a while that Noah had become more than just a friend to her. She had grown to admire him. And over time, she had fallen in love with him too. "I feel the same way, Noah," Lily said softly, smiling. "I've always believed that love comes when you least expect it. And I think I found my love in you." They stood there, looking at each other, and in that moment, they both knew that their lives had changed for the better. Together, they would continue to grow, to love, and to support each other, just like the flowers in Lily's garden. Noah and Lily's love grew stronger each day, and together, they continued to make the village a better place. They worked side by side, helping the children, growing their garden, and spreading kindness throughout the town. Noah had found a new life, full of purpose and happiness. He was no longer the man who felt lost and alone. He had found love, friendship, and a community that cared for him. He knew that life could be difficult at times, but he also knew that with kindness, hope, and love, anything was possible. And so, Noah and Lily lived happily ever after, creating a life full of love, laughter, and new beginnings. they never forgot the lessons they had learned, that even in the darkest times, there is always a chance for a bright new beginning. And that with love, anything is possible. Thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming tales. Remember, even in the toughest times, a new beginning is always possible. See you in the next video.